I just don't get it. So I have came across a topic or a concept called minimalism. So this minimalism states that we shouldn't own things which we don't need. But I realized something. I have been practicing this thing when I didn't even knew that. And I don't even remember when I started that as a kid or whatever. Because whenever I went to market or got something, I just, accidentally happened to ask myself, do I really need it to survive properly or survive or to live properly? And if my answer was yes, then I would buy it. If my answer was no, then I wouldn't buy it. Some things which I bought, not for for the need, for it. For once I as a kid I bought a car to dismantle it and take out its motors just for the curiosity of it. That was the driving force. But some people just buy things randomly. More clothes, more perfumes, more stuff to fill the room with, which looks fancy. I have seen people buying the things from the ad, right? Even though they don't need it. Or and as an outsider, because I have just been happened to practice this from very, 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 very long. Like I don't even remember when I started it. Like just living on the things which I really need, right? Yep. And okay, so what's the message of this? Well, message of this is that we don't really need many things in our life. And okay, even if we own many things, what would be the bad right about that, right? What would be the consequences? No, right? We are just owning things, right? Well, we spend money to get that thing, even though we don't need it. Second thing, a thing comes with decisions. We have to decide many things, like have I washed it? Have I kept it properly? And worrying about I haven't used it for a while, and just taking space in our house. So that thing just takes a lot of things from us, our minute decisions which we take in a day-to-day life, and our brain's capacity is limited to push our cognitive ability or to make decision a day, and we get exhausted by taking decisions. More things we own, more decisions we have to take, and more exhausted we get in a day. So I just happened, to be practicing this thing for so long. I never consciously thought about this. That okay, well, so that's why like it doesn't make sense to me that why people buy the things which they don't need to live or or to survive in general. Like the only things which we need to move forward in our life is good. We should own that. But things which we don't really serve any purpose, it's just waste of our money, energy, and time. Yep, this was today, guys. This is all, because let me first tell you that what benefits it get me. I own very less things. As you can see in my room, just some basic necessary things, okay, which I need. Or I own a little books too, but they are interesting, quite interesting. Okay, so hmm, so it saves me my energy, it saves me my money, it saves my time, and because I don't have to think and manage and take care of them and make my new decision throughout my day. And you can also do that by practicing, of course. Though I can't really say like describe or like how can you start it. I would say you can start it by whenever you go to market and you buy something, just ask yourself, do I really need it to survive or live properly? Do I actually need it? Then then based on that decision, just don't say directly no. You don't need to just say no directly. Hey, just think about it, then come with an answer, then make decision. It would really help, I believe. Or you can also use the box method, means putting a thing which is in your room and putting that in a box. Okay, and see if you need it in the next 90 days. If you don't open that box in 90 days, then just sell it. You don't need it in the first place. Yep, this was some practical tips. This was all, guys, all today. I hope you have a wonderful day.